Alright, here's a look at the finished product here. This is also the first piece that I poured out of that sterling silver that I refined in the previous video. Came out really nice. I did run this through the polisher to shine it up a little bit. Worked really well. You can see it came in at 46.18 grams, so about 1.5 troy ounces. And again, just to kind of give you an idea of the contrast and shine that the piece has. Very nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.